Speaking of which, you tell your sister yet? Tell me what?
Me I gotta talk.
No, we're all family, so tell me.
Yes, Chris. We're all family. So tell us.
Well, me gonna be a father again.
Me didn't know, you know. Me didn't know. Yes, me didn't know. Come see Patsy eat ketchup and Bigfoot. Yo. But me didn't know. Yes, more be godmother for that picnic there. Touch it there. Oh, father again. Bubbles. Listen, calm down your body, cause me start decide now when me I go buy when the gender reveal, cause you know Amazon and all them something there you have to go up and a shopper. You know that, right? Gender reveal?
Yeah, man.
Boom. Me a pray say is a boy. Come on, like rough up boy.
Why could it be a girl?
No, me want a boy picnic man. Please go on.
Anyways, if that's it for the meeting, I think it's best I leave. Yeah. Have a great one. See you guys tomorrow in the office. Anyways, Chris, congratulations.
Yeah, I got it, but
I want this something.
Cause.
yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, man. That's the whole of 5, man. How you did?
Okay. You had a dream. So like you had a dream about Prinny.
I mean, you hear me call her name?
You're correct. So you still not hear from her yet?
No, cuz boy. Come on, bring it down with me and you.
Jano, can't believe I saw she deal with you still and she know the situation. She have reach out to you, dog?
Cuz, big man thing, you know. I always do for them thing, you see? So it is what it is. I'm not lose no more sleep over that because you see me, I go through my situation already. You see? So, that's it there. When you forward, you forward. This me work on right now.
Alright. So, how the foot them feel now?
Test me, I gotta test them out again, you know, cause see what them are going on with this, see?
So, cuz, tell me, what really go on? Because Tony and tell me, I still can't believe.
Why? Cause I believe in a certain things still no, but I have to thank my brother there. But I'm afraid I'm like, whoa! I tell you if you like
So, hold on, I ask you a question. If this appear for real, because of that Tony and tell me.
Cause you know you hear me I say. Me say the man right as such for me sit down. The man stand up. And the man goes up. Look so. And by the time he goes up and look back so. And behind the tree the man a come from. Me run go crash in a wall. Watch out. You think a joke thing?
And I alone for him. Anytime I come here, I try no there. Cause see first time he meet him, I was so warm to the man here. I'm gonna call the man. But if I said that already. Already? You saw me call the man so? The man just stay so. Oof! You see me here? The man dumb me father. Dumb the man dumb me.
You think the same thing the man do me dog. Me say by the time I go and I say, yo, hey, Obi man, come on.
No. No say that word there. No say it's supposed to man spirit there. How you go say the whole word? Man just dumb me here, yo. I wanna chat again.
Yo, bad thing I make joke more while now, but on a serious level. Where Tony I know that man there from?
You know say him close to Miss Brissett and you know Tony never get the connection.
Oh, you never see smoke without fire, you know? Because she a police and undercover. And him a Obia.
No. Spiritual.
Oh, I mean spiritual advisor, man. Me no know. Something. That means there's some form of science in it, you know?
Cause you know see you're smart. You're a smart individual, you know, cause the science high. So you have to gear up.
And that me I tell you, youth. Big man thing, you know. You see how that woman they move fearless and thing. You can't she alone a roll that. Feel like she have all four up here roll with that.
Cause I agree with you. She fully gear up.
So tell me something, cuz. You ever smell a oil pan her yet?
Cause you know so me never smell alpanar yet. She always smell sweet. So, me not see no gathering, so I must gather aisle. Get up.
How the rest?
Cause, you hear that? Tell me son me alone I hear that.
You hear me? You hear me, bad man? Better allow them argument to hear. Change the subject, you know. Well, if you chat about it, you know.
Achoo. Cause true man.
I'm not telling you.
Yeah man.
Come like something in a place.
Yeah. Achoo cause. So, what we for that then? Yes, and the pop black.
Brother, you lock a place that. Come on, door, man.
No, remember say with things.
Man, come on, door, supposed to lock me up in with them for. Suppose me to run out.